Hi there, welcome to CHY Power. This is Toby. Welcome to our factory. Here is our workshop. Today, I'm going to share with you our all-in-one energy storage system. Now, we have already installed the all-in-one energy storage system, which consists of solar inverter and prismatic level 4 batteries.
We can get it recharged by AC wall outlet and solar panels. We can set the way it is charged on the inverter screen.
The maximum solar charging power can be 5500 watts. As we can see, these solar panels installed on the roof can power it and your home appliances all day long.